Wait.
Alright.
Get in the stick.
I want the stick on the roof.
Where's the stick?
That could work.
Might.
Get in the stick. No, don't get in the stick.
What? No, it's going. Go. No. Go away.
Oh God, I'll flick it.
I found a stick.
Yeah, no, give him the stick.
Don't make. No.
I'm trying to help you.
Under the stick.
That's a moth. That's not a cicada.
A cicada.
It's. No,
Come on, under the stick.
Oh.
Under the stick.
No, get on the stick.
Go, take, go. I'll take the thing out of there.
Look at it.
Just like, thanks a lot.
Oh, all right, come on,
Leave it alone.
He's alive
He's
now.
fine.
Leave it alone. Don't give the stick.
He's probably dying.
No.
You were a nice place for it to die.
Oh no. Here, come here.
Probably give it a heart attack. Some towering person beating at it with a stick.
See, if it was a moth, it'd be flying instead of just kind of hanging out.
But cicadas have wings.
They do have wings.
They do have wings.
Ah.
But they're more of a clingy bug.
They're actually, it's amazing. You can see through the wings. See? Can you see through?
And they just hide on. You see, that way they've got the bark pattern, so they can chill on the bark and not get eaten.
Yeah.
Or be seen in Animal Crossing, as the case may be.
Oh gosh.